Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust brightness in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply now, we will be needing to click on the plus button so we can be able to start importing our clips and the media. We click on this plus sign and then you will be able to start importing any type of media. I'm just going to click on this done after selecting so you can already see this number and I'm going to click on done and now we will have the media that is imported into our editing panel. So here you will be able to see all your clips that are imported in this timeline and from here you will be able to select each element or each clip and then you can start editing on it. In our case, we want to adjust the brightness. That means you will be needing to click on it and then we will be needing to search for the adjust tool. So here at the bottom, you will find this toolbar and the first item or the first feature is splitting. After that, you will find volume, speed, green screen, delete, etc. Now we are interested in adjust and here in this menu, we will already be seeing brightness. You can start adjusting the brightness of your video. So let's just click on this, or let's just choose some video that are brighter or that are visible so we can find and see the effects. I'm going to choose this one and click on it and then go to adjust. And as you can see, as I'm uh, scrolling the wheel of the brightness, you can see the brightness changes and the same for all the other elements, either like the contrast, also the saturation, and all the other properties that are available in this tool. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.